Hello. We are in Kilimanjaro, the most biggest waterfall, 75 meters. And this route right here, we call Coca-Cola. There are 6 routes climbing Kilimanjaro. This is the one we call Coca-Cola. So we are going to start our journey to see the most beautiful waterfall.
Jackson is here. The 27 color. Our pay that is
he's mad.
In the coffee plantation.
Yeah.
Hello, Jackson.
Yeah, show me.
Yeah. So if you are so if there is some photo, yeah. Because it's like this one.
Close enough.
It's banana beer. Okay, so it tastes like moonshine. Don't know for sure, but I would imagine this is above 12%, maybe close to 20%. You get any interesting notes?
It's got a real fermentation smell to it.
I thought you know.
Is that chocolate? Let me see.
Not to study and then calculate that to go to mining one day. Hi boy, how are you doing, gentlemen?
Yeah, Jeff needs to pass down here, so there's more space here, Jeff.
This chamber, it was a place where the Guardians used to stand, waiting for the enemies for 6 or 7 hours. This is known as a skull breaker weapon. They used to hit them on the head.
Thank you for clarifying that.
May I ask how many people can fit in here?
Okay.
Look behind you, all the plants. Left out.
I need to go to sleep.
This is a cow.
I need to go. Guys, he's a carnivore.
Just joking.
Guys,
Be gentle, Sebastian.
Yeah, the best be ready for the party.
The mortar. Twanga is the main key on the song. Twanga, twanga, twanga. So I'll be your leader to sing the song. Everybody can you say twanga? Twanga. Twanga means pounding. So the rest of part is just hey, tunga, media, tunga, tunga, media, tunga, tunga, bolle, bolle, tunga, sasa, tunga, tunga, yo, jaji, tunga, dunam, tunga, tunga, bolle, jaji, tunga, kawa, tunga, tunga, sasa, tunga, happy, strong boy, happy, happy, tunga, sasa, tunga, tunga, sasa, tunga, tunga, oya, oya. Tunga uja kobe, tunga wale wale, tunga tunai punda, iya say jumbo, jumbo wana, habari gani,
nzuri sana, wageni wakaribisha Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata,
Mchange pole pole,
hakuna matata,
wageni wafurahi,
hakuna matata,
tunaona wana furaha,
hakuna matata,
tabasamu kama lote. So, sikio, we jambo, jambo bwana, habari gani?
nzuri sana, wageni wakaribisha Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata,
Mchange pole pole,
hakuna matata,
na wewe ufurahi,
hakuna matata,
wamiri na wapenda,
hakuna matata,
jambo bwana,
habari gani?
nzuri sana, unapenda hiyo
Wageni wakaribisha
We love coffee. We love coffee.
Powder milk it. That was good. Yeah, I like.
I'm not tired.